In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your chart of accounts in Wave, whether you're a small business owner or manage finances for another organization. Understanding your chart of accounts is crucial for keeping your finances organized. So, let's jump in and get started. First things first, head over to the Wave accounting website. You can simply open your preferred web browser and type in waveapps.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the web page and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, you can sign in from here. This will take you to the login page. For a more seamless experience, select the Sign In with Google option. Simply click on it and choose the Google account you want to associate with your Wave account. If you're new to Wave, you'll need to create an account first. But since we're focusing on setting up your chart of accounts, we'll assume you've already signed up. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the accounting section within Wave. You can usually find this on the main dashboard or in the sidebar of the screen. Once there, you'll see a variety of tabs and options. But what we're looking for is the chart of accounts. Go ahead and click on that. The chart of accounts is essentially a structured list of all your business's financial accounts. It'll help you categorize all your financial transactions, making tracking and reporting much easier. To add a new account to your chart of accounts, look for the option labeled Add a New Account and click it. Now, it's time to choose the account type. Wave gives you various options such as asset, liability, income, expense, and equity. Pick the type that best suits the financial category you're creating. For example, if you're setting up an account for utility bills, you'd choose expense. Once you've selected the account type, go ahead and type in the account name. Use a name that clearly describes the account's purpose. Clarity here will help avoid confusion later on. Next, enter the account ID, which is a unique identifier for your account. This is especially useful for internal tracking. After you've added the account name and ID, you can also include a brief description. This step is optional, but providing more details can be helpful for anyone who might be managing the books in the future. Once everything looks good, double-check your inputs and then click Save. This action will create your new financial account right in your chart of accounts. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your chart of accounts in Wave. Setting up a well-structured chart of accounts is a fundamental step in financial management, and it ensures that you have reliable financial data at your fingertips for decision-making. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy bookkeeping!